so too. Steering wheel is bouncing around and getting some brake smell also. Cruise control kicks in but does not really engage totally, fades off. That brake smell is worrisome. It obviously needs A, an alignment, or B, the tie rods are screwed or something. It's pulling way to the right, super way to the right. The engine's kind of dirty, looks like it, you know, looks like it had some problems, but it's just kind of dirty. And what else? Air conditioning. I mean, maybe there's something blowing out there. Can you tell? I mean, is the radio working off?
A little bit. Yeah, radio should work.
Well, so it's an air-cooled 84 911 convertible. That's Cabriolet, they called it. It's totally custom, slant nose, outrageous. I would say the wing is fiberglass. That's about it. I think it's steel. Are you sure?
Steel. That's what I'm told.
Okay. So it's one of these cool 80s super custom monsters. It's still reasonably quick. I don't feel anything. The brakes are, you know, they worry you because they work okay, but there's something going on there. It has reasonable power. I don't know that it's, it doesn't feel that much quicker than my earlier car with the 3-liter engine. This has a 3.2 engine, so it should be quicker. Someone did quite a custom job on this thing. Used to seeing those headlights and you don't see them on this one.